to React.js Introduction tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn what is React.js, what are components, extension and apps for React.js, introduction to JSX, installation of VS's code editor. The recommended code editor for creating React project is VS Code Editor. I already have VS Code Editor installed on my system. If you have not, you can download it from its official website. Now let's install some of the popular VS Code extensions, which will make your React journey more easier. Our first extension is S7 React Redux React Native JS Snippets. Our next extension is Pre-tier Code Formatter. Our next extension is Auto Rename Tag. I have installed all extensions which is required for our React journey. Now let's see what are their functionalities. Let's see the functionality of ES7 React Native Snippets. If you want to create a component, then we have to write only RAFC, and it will create the whole component. Let's see the functionality of Auto Tranium Tag every time you rename a tag. The complementary opening and closing tag is renamed by itself to match the new tag name. Let's take the example. We have 1H1 tab and we want to convert it into H2 tag. Then we have to rename only one of the two tag, and the secondary tag will be renamed automatically. Our next extension is Prettier Code Formatter, so let's understand its functionality. This extension takes your all codes and remove the irregular code base and arrange it. Let's take an example here. You can see we have 5 header tags and arranged in irregular manner. Now we are going to arrange it. In order to do it, we have to right-click, select the format document, and now you can see it is arranged in a proper manner. So let's create our first React app. Before creating it, we have to install Node.js application. It provides us Node Package Manager, which is also known as npm by using npm. We are going to create our first React app, so let's download the Node.js app and install it. After installing the Node.js application, we are going to create our first React.js app. We have to open the terminal on our desktop directory here. We have to write npx create React app and our React app name. I am going to write the app name first React project and hit enter. So it will take 30 seconds to 1 minute for creating the React project. So our project is ready. Now we are going to navigate to the project folder using this command to run the project. We have to use npm start command. Now you can see our first React project is running. Let's open our project in VS Code and analyze the folder structure of React project to open project in VS Code. We have to right-click on the project folder, so more options, then click on Open with VS Code. As you can see, these are the files created during installation of our project. Let's check what is git ignore when sharing your code with others. There are often files or parts of your project you do not want to share, for example, log files, temporary files, hidden files, personal files, etc. Git, ignore protect these files to get shared publicly. Package.json contains descriptive and functional metadata about a project, such as name version and dependencies. The file provides the npm package manager with various information to help identify the project and handle dependencies. App.js. This is the file for app component. App component is the main component in React, which acts as a container for all other components. Index.js is the file that runs in Easely. Once the node.js code is executed, it is responsible for our applications, a startup. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Also, share this video with your friends. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.